to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to install a new BMX sprocket. I've gotten a new one and I've already started taking stuff off, but what you're going to need is a wrench. This one is kind of like a universal one. It fits a lot of different bolts. So, cause I think this bolt is like, or no, nut. This nut's like metric or something. So I just use this universal one, and it works on it. And then an Allen wrench that fits your cranks here, because you're gonna be taking apart your cranks to install it. So first, move it over. You just want to take off your wheel, which I already did, and take the chain off, so then like there's no stress on the chain while you're putting the new one on, just in case the new one's like got more teeth or less teeth. Because this is a 25 tooth sprocket. I've tried putting a 28 tooth sprocket on and it would have snapped my chain if I tried to put it on. So I know this is right because this is a 25 tooth. This is 25 tooth, so I'm just gonna get this chain off the way. Now I gotta start taking apart your sprocket. So first off, there's a screw right here. You just want to loosen that all the way out. Mine's kind of weird. It sometimes doesn't come out, so I had to loosen it, so like that. And then right here you have another screw that fits an Allen wrench. You just want to undo that. You want to unscrew that well, not really all the way, just enough so that you can move your cranks like that. And once you pull that off, your sprocket should be attached by this screw, and that also fits an Allen wrench. I've already loosened that up, and now you have your sprocket off. And this one's pretty dirty, and it's kind of bent, I think. It just makes a weird noise when I pedal. So I'm getting a better quality one, Odyssey. So I'm just gonna undo this. Here it is. It's a pretty good sprocket, and if you put it up next to this one, it should just be the exact same, pretty much. It is. You always want to check if you got the same amount of teeth, because if you're on a BMX bike like I am, it could, and you do wheelies, it could like affect how you do it, because if it's more teeth, it'll be harder to pedal, and if it's less teeth, it'll be easier to pedal, so it could affect like how you do it. So that's why I get the same amount of teeth. But if you want to try more teeth or less teeth, that's up to you. And then also in here are two top hats, what they are called. You undo it. They're two different sizes for two different types of cranks. This one's too big, so I'm gonna use this one. But first we gotta take the old top hat off. And a top hat is kind of like a washer that fits your sprocket to your cranks. This is the old top hat, and then there should be a spacer here. I guess it's the old, like a little big, but it'll still work. So first you put that top hat on, and then you try and fit the sprocket on. It does fit, it's good. And then now you get your crank, this part of your crank, and then line it up here, and then you can put this screw so it screws into your crank right here. And then to tighten it, you use your Allen wrench. And you want to make sure it's aligned on your top hat and everything. And your hands are gonna get greasy, so I would recommend wearing some kind of gloves, but I'm just doing this real quick and I can just wash my hands after. And you don't want this like to be insanely tight, just snugged up so it doesn't come off, because you don't want to like break or bend or whatever your sprocket. And it should work right. And then now you just tighten this one a little bit. You kind of want to tighten this screw and this at kind of the same time, but it doesn't matter too much. That's just what I do when my bike works alright like that. And now this kind of tight, and now I gotta tighten this. This screw gets harder to tighten once you put in more. And so now just tighten this more. And you want to make sure your cranks are pushed together, so it doesn't like so like when you put weight on either side, it doesn't like move. That wouldn't be super good. That's good, so I'm gonna tighten this a lot more. There, I don't think that's gonna be moving. Both my cranks are pretty good. So now we can start putting the chain and the wheel back on. So you want to align. Actually, first you kind of want to get your wheel back on so it's less harder to do later. So get your chain in, then fit the wheel in here. You don't want to tighten this yet because you still have to put the chain on your sprocket. So put the chain on the sprocket, turn it so it's all lined up, and then this is kind of a hard part. This part's kind of hard, getting your wheel like what is it, like even, kind of like it. So getting your wheel even and not crooked. There, I just gotta get my chain on my hub here. There, that's good. Make sure it works. Then just move it back and tighten. You just want to hand tighten this right now. You don't want your chain to be loose, and I've had problems with a loose chain a lot. So I'm just gonna hand tighten and then maybe tighten it just a little bit here. Like this, loosely. So you don't want your tire rubbing against here, and it doesn't. Just a little bit. My chain is a little bit tight, and you don't want that. You don't want it too loose or too tight, so this is kind of hard to do, like getting it perfect. So I'm just gonna tighten this again. See if, yeah, it is pretty tight. So I'm just gonna move it forward just a little bit. I think that's good. You don't want your chain to be super tight, so I'll get back because this kind of takes a while. I'll get back. Okay, so I've aligned it right. I'm pretty sure it's good enough. And when you turn, it works as there's not super tight spots anywhere on the chain. You want just a little bit of slack. So that's pretty much what I have. Now I have a new sprocket. It should last a long time. This one was a stock sprocket, so I've upgraded to a better one. And it should work pretty good. And so I'm gonna go test out my bike. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe if you like these kind of videos, and I'll try to do more videos like this. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.